My favorite recipe. I love to cook, and my favorite recipe is homemade pizza. It's fun and tasty. Let me tell you how to make it. First, you have to make the dough. You'll need flour, yeast, water, and salt. Mix them together and let it rise. It takes time, but it's worth it. Next, you make the tomato sauce. You'll need tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and herbs. Cook them together until they're soft. Then blend it smooth. Now it's time to shape the dough. Roll it out on a floured surface. Make it round and not too thick. It should be just the right size for your pan. Spread the sauce over the dough. Add some cheese and your favorite toppings. I like peppers, mushrooms, and olives, but you can choose what you like. Put the pizza in a hot oven. It has to bake for about 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's golden. The smell will be amazing too. Take it out of the oven and let it cool. Then cut it into slices and enjoy. You can eat it with friends or family, or you can have it all to yourself. I love making pizza because it's creative. You can try different toppings and flavors. You can make it spicy or sweet. You can make it just the way you like. I hope you'll try my favorite recipe. I think you'll enjoy making it. I know you'll love eating it. Happy cooking!